rare legend that defined an era of heavy-duty trucking, the Corbitt D600 stands as a forgotten masterpiece in the world of classic trucks. This powerhouse was built with an unyielding spirit, carrying America's industrial load through the mid-20th century. A machine that was once a lifeline for transportation now lives on in the hearts of enthusiasts and collectors. Join our community of passionate automotive lovers, where history meets horsepower. And let's bring this icon back into the spotlight together. The Corbitt D600 was the pride of the Corbitt Company, a brand that stood tall in the trucking industry during the early to mid-1900s. Known for their military-grade toughness and exceptional engineering, Corbitt trucks were built for endurance. The D600 in particular was designed for heavy-duty hauling, often seen on highways, construction sites, and military bases, where reliability mattered most. Unlike mass-produced competitors, Corbitt trucks were built in limited numbers, making them extremely rare today. Under the hood, the Corbitt D600 was powered by a robust inline-six diesel engine, engineered to deliver steady power and unmatched durability. Though specific horsepower and torque figures varied based on configurations, the truck was revered for its ability to tackle long hauls with ease. The manual transmission, requiring skillful shifting, added to the raw, mechanical experience that only vintage truck enthusiasts can truly appreciate. The solid steel chassis, reinforced axles, and heavy-duty suspension made the D600 a workhorse, capable of carrying immense loads without breaking a sweat. The exterior design was all about function over form, but it carried a distinct presence. The towering front grille, rounded fenders, and massive headlights gave it a commanding stance, while the long, streamlined hood added to its classic appeal. Unlike modern trucks, which prioritize aerodynamics and digital efficiency, the Corbitt D600 embodied the essence of pure mechanical engineering. Many examples featured two-tone paint schemes, chrome accents, and meticulously crafted details, making them a sight to behold on the roads. Inside the cabin, practicality took precedence over luxury. The interior was straightforward, featuring a simple steel dashboard with analog gauges that provided essential readings. A large, thin-rimmed steering wheel and a metal gear shifter dominated the driver's space, reinforcing the truck's industrial nature. Comfort was minimal, with a single bench seat designed for durability rather than relaxation. However, for truckers of the time, the D600 wasn't about luxury. It was about getting the job done. As the years passed, Corbitt trucks faded into history, with production ceasing as larger manufacturers took over the market. Today, the Corbitt D600 is an extremely rare collectible, with surviving models fetching impressive prices at auctions. Restored examples can reach values upwards of $50,000, depending on condition, originality, and modifications. Some have been transformed into show trucks, featuring modernized interiors and custom paint jobs, while others remain in their rugged, work-ready form, preserved as historical treasures. The Corbitt D600 isn't just a truck, it's a legacy of American engineering and hard work. For those who appreciate vintage heavy-duty machines, this model remains one of the most fascinating pieces of trucking history. Whether you're a classic truck enthusiast, a restoration expert, or simply someone who admires rare automotive gems, the Corbitt D600 deserves recognition. Be part of our growing community, where we celebrate automotive history, share restoration projects, and explore the stories of forgotten legends. Let's keep the spirit of the Corbitt D600 alive.